Get ready to pig out with this sizzling hot pork chop recipe. This air fryer pork chop is seasoned with Felton's EM² spice, and it's a game changer. And let's not forget about the sides: creamy mashed potatoes and perfectly cooked broccoli. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Plus, did you know that Felton's is a female-owned business? So not only will you be enjoying a delicious meal, but you're also going to be supporting a badass woman entrepreneur. And the best part, the recipe is quick and easy for a weeknight meal. So save it, share it, and most importantly, enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.